Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the Jagdpanther. So just take your clippers, clip away at this support from underneath this gun. Sand it down if you wish. That's actually all the clipping there is to it. So now, take this piece. If you watch the Panther video, the assembly process is quite similar. In fact, it's the same. But anyways, so take this, go like that. And then make sure that this area is nice and aligned. There you go. Now take some glue here. Then take this piece, put it like that. Like that. Oops. Hold that in place like that. There you go. You got it. So now the tracks. So go ahead and put some glue like this. Then you can use this here and glue it like that. So to the other side. And then put it like that. Test it on the table. Okay, so at this point, actually, you're done. If you wish to have the tank in this way, but if you wish to put side skirts on, now let's do that. Just take some glue on the sides like that. Then go like that. Next, put some glue like this, and on those tracks. This is only if you're doing side skirts. Then, gonna put that in the middle. Check the other side, of course. Alright, perfect. There is the Jagdpanther or Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you for watching.